I'm excited to hear what you all have prepared and hope that the violin is something very special to you. It's all about that encouragement and inspiration. People who play the violin typically don't look like me. And so it's great to be able to inspire young children, girls especially, of color, who look like me and know that there's infinite possibilities.
To see someone like us playing the violin, especially that well and so educated on it, it's something that it should be talked about more.
Build it up, build it up. 4, 1, 2, 3.
Amazing, amazing. She played beautifully.
Yes,
I really
she did.
liked it.
I was kind of scared at first because I didn't want to mess up. Now I know that I need to practice more.
I thought it was a really interesting experience, like learning from a person who's had more experience than me.
And like how she got herself up and sing. She has a really good voice. She's really talented.
I learned that I should follow my dreams.
She is an amazing violinist, and I'm just highly impressed with her. She is awesome.
It was really interesting to be able to see the girls of Grace James and Westport Middle School play with Brooke.
What a gift that she's been blessed with, and to come and mentor young children. What a sweet, soulful, jazzy, heartfelt music that she provided. I think it's something that the children will always remember. And it just also felt good for us adults to hear that music.